going over the trades this week for the portfolios, 25K, 50K, 100K, and $1 million portfolios. No trades in Cobra 3, very sideways market. You can see that. VIXs are really low. We had 3 out of the last 4 Mondays have been holidays in the market with Christmas, New Year's, and Martin Luther King. So we've had basically 3 weeks out of the last 4 weeks as holiday weeks. And so the trading has been a bit contracted. You see SR counter trend gold, a little bit of a profit there on Wednesday. Actually, yeah, it's Wednesday. And then Cobra Euro was took 1 trade this week, was short. Soybeans day trade 3. Let's see, this is the week of soybeans because we had a short week. So these red lines represent session breaks. And so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, kind of a break-even trade there. Just really sideways price action in every market. So it's challenging to make money. Gap continue to be has not taken a trade yet this year. Low frequency strategy. Those are the basic core strategies in the 25K portfolio. The bonus strategies are crude oil after hours. Let's go over the trades in crude oil after hours. So back the video up, or pause the video to back up the price data to Sunday, or actually last Friday, Friday the 13th, and went long here. And we carried that over the weekend, and so you can see the results here. Came in on Sunday night. The market was open on Sunday night. Some of the holidays we've had lately, the market was not open on Sunday night. With the Martin Luther King holiday, it is. Sort of stopped out on that around 2 a.m. And that was the trade that was held over the weekend. Not much of a gap from Friday's close to Sunday night's open. So that was the first trade of the week. And let's scroll through here. This strategy was down this week. Long trade here. Second trade of the week, as there was only 2 trades, and so long, and it was up almost $500, and then on the inventories report came down and got stopped out near the lows of the week, and so then the market rallied from that point. I always hate to see that. Market comes down here and then it just goes straight up from that point. And so there's only 2 trades on that, and that was crude oil after hours. And on weekly inventories, let's take a look here. Just a small profit, just no follow through on the downside as the market. We were near the lows, got out at the close, just a kind of a scratch trade on that. And so 1 trade this week on that, on the weekly inventories report. And Tick Pulse has been the real challenger this month. It's been extremely narrow ranges, as we saw on the Cobra 3 chart. This is 15-second chart, so you can't see as much information if I compress the bars all the way down. I'll flip back over here to Cobra 3. This represents the trading this week. Here was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Very narrow ranges. And we're looking at, some days, it's the afternoon. The S&P is only 7.5 point range. And so it makes it challenging to trade a trend strategy. And there's no follow through on the trades. The market's just really choppy. And so Tick Pulse is down it's down 562.50 on the month on 21 trades without slippage and commission, so about $1,100. Down $1,100 this month so far with slippage and commission because there's no price action, no movement. And gap fill fade, mini S&P, no trades this week, no trades this month. Gap fill and reverse on the crude oil. It's up this week. See that trade, a little bit of a V bottom trade. We had two trades this week on this. 5 trades so far on the month. It's up 620 on the month. Let's go back. We had this trade. We made a video about making V bottoms. Had the potential for that. It rolled over. Had a small loss on the day, and that was the first trade of the week. And the second trade of the week had basically a small winner, about $275 on the trade, 330 points. And so captured 30 points on this move. And we're going to be having a webinar on Wednesday this week. I'll tell you more about that in a minute, where you can sign up for that. So just going in detail over all these trades. These are the trades. Those are the 5 additional bonus strategies in the 25K portfolio. The 50K, 100K, and $1 million portfolio include all of the strategies we've just discussed, all 10 of those. And in the 50K portfolio, we have 2 additional strategies. You see Cobra Crude. Cobra Crude had 2 trades this week. um, and it was down on the week $130, so minus 105 there, and then it was down there as well. So not much movement there either on the short side, and then no follow through on the long side, a little late on the trade. And so a lot of this movement in crude oil was in the overnight session. So that's the two additional trades in the Cobra crude this week. SR counter trend crude did not take any trades this week. We're now trading March crude oil. The 100K portfolio has another 5 additional strategies. You see these 5 strategies: stock index swing, no trades this week in stock index swing day trade. And so Gold Spike 2 money management algorithm with the surge exit had 1 trade this week, got stopped out or exited actually, minus $600 stop, minus $600 on that trade. And EVP2 Gold, no trades this week. Soybean swing, no trades this week. Soybean meal swing had this trade this week. It looked like there might be some follow through after it took the trade. Strong move up, and then it closed higher, and then it gapped down, and it made another high. And then Thursday and Friday just went dead. And so we sold it at this price at the open because there was no follow through, and that's how the strategy works. So a small profit on the trade. You see the green, this represents the daily profit and loss, and so it was up slightly on the trade and on the week, but it was down on Thursday. The open position was up on Tuesday, up on Wednesday, and then this give back on Thursday. So that's all of the strategies in the portfolios that I had trades this week. I'll show you the spreadsheet here in a minute. The $1 million portfolio takes the same trades as the 100K, except it has a multiple of the contracts. And so let's take a look at the spreadsheet. So here's a list of the trades. You see there are the weekly results in all the portfolios was down, minus 336.25 on 15 trades. Does not include slippage and commission. So on the month, this is up 2563.75 on 47 trades, and this number tells you what the monthly results are after slippage and commission. So we deduct $25 times 47 trades and subtract it from that number. 1388.75 is what the 25K portfolio results are showing. And if you want to do that for each individual strategy, for example, tick pulse mini S&P, you'd say equals minus 3750 minus 21 times 25. Actually, we need to do minus 562.50. Minus 562.50 minus 21 times 25. And so you see minus about $1,100 on the month on Tick Pulse is what it's showing so far. And so that's the and then if you sum that up, it should get this number. I put these numbers in here because there are different slippage and commission factors, different brokerage commissions for some, and so we've gone over that before. So put the raw data here, and then the number with the $25 round turn slippage and commission there, and you can see down 466.25 on the week in the 50K portfolio, up 2183.75 on 51 trades, and after slippage and commission up 908.75 on the month with slippage and commission. And the 100K portfolio minus 926.25 on 19 trades on the week, 2751.25 on 67 trades on the month, or 1076.25 after slippage and commission. And the $1 million portfolio minus 4183.75 on 123 contracts traded, and that's without slippage and commission. Then 14,858.75 on 414 contracts traded. So about 4508.75 after slippage and commission. And so those are the results. Let me know if you have any questions. And I have a webinar on Wednesday to go over gap fill and reverse crude oil, gap fill fade crude oil, the strategy from our book. So if you go in and take a look, algorithmic trading systems, you can find my book on Amazon, $79.95, or you can get the ebook from me. I'll show you where you can get that. I also want to show you that this was released October October 14th, 2015 is the release date. I want to show you that so you can go in. If you want to talk about walk forward testing, you can go in and you can take a look at the code in the original book, and you can see that what the code was and do a walk forward test of a year and 4 months and see what it's done, and you can see the results. If you want to get the ebook from me, you can do that at algorithmictradingsystems.com. You can get the ebook. You can scroll down, and it's only $39.95 to get the ebook, and you can get the membership site for $100. The reason I separated this is if you've already bought the Amazon book, some people prefer paperback, you can get the membership site separately, so they're separately priced here. And if you want the ebook and the membership site, you buy them both. If you have the Amazon book and you just want the membership site, you can just add that and have the software and videos for it. And I've got a webinar on Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see that here on the Twitter feed. You can click on this link, put it above this video, and you can register for the Gap Fill and Reverse Crude Oil by David Bean, which is me. 1 hour long webinar, again 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, and so we'll go about an hour, and you can register there. And let me know if you have any questions on the weekly reports or any of these strategies.